Staggering water use and adjusting occupant habits can dramatically extend the life of a tiny house septic system. A tiny house septic system is sensitive to short duration peaks in both hydraulic and organic loading, so we should schedule showers, dishwasher cycles, and laundry across different times of day to avoid simultaneous spikes. Use water-conserving fixtures and simple habits like limiting shower time to 5 minutes, running the dishwasher only when full, and choosing low water cycles for laundry to reduce total daily flow and settled solids entering the tank. Repair even small leaks within 24 hours, since continuous drips can turn a manageable daily average into chronic overload that stresses the drain field. For communities of tiny homes, coordinate a simple central calendar or messaging plan so multiple units do not run high-volume appliances at the same hour, and rotate heavy tasks like clothes washing across different days. Regularly inspect toilets and fixtures visually and by tracking water meter usage if available so you can catch unnoticed flows, and when pumping the tank, follow a schedule based on actual use rather than fixed intervals, using depth and scum measurements when possible. When you must host guests, intentionally space bathing and appliance use to protect system equilibrium rather than relying on strain capacity. 3 common mistakes are running multiple high-volume appliances at once, treating infrequent leaks as low priority, and compressing all laundry into a single day. The quick fix for simultaneous appliance use is to create and verbally reinforce a simple household rule to never run more than one major appliance at a time and to start showers at least 30 minutes apart. If leaks are ignored, the system receives constant excess flow, so check supply lines, toilet flappers, and hose bibs weekly, and tighten or replace parts immediately if you see steady dripping. For concentrated laundry, spread loads over 2 or 3 days, or use a laundromat for large bulk washing to prevent pulse loads that push solids through the tank and shorten drainfield function. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tiny house septic management, helping us find local professionals and practical community advice. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we can share schedules, troubleshooting tips, and real-world experiences to help everyone protect their systems.